Hello my lovies, and a very Merry Christmas to everyone. This is going to probably be my last YouTube upload before Christmas, and I want to call this, I think you saw the title already, Let's Wrap It Up. That's kind of cute, right? So everyone has been doing so many videos about what to buy for who and whatever, and nobody's doing a video on how to wrap your gifts. Now, I'm not saying that the way that I do things is the right way. It's just a different way, because you have to do you, boo. You know what I'm talking about? Okay, so I've got all this stuff in front of me, and I'll tilt my camera down so that you can see. I've got a whole bunch of ribbons and whatever that I pick up from places like Michael's on Boxing Week sales, as well as Costco. Not necessarily on Boxing Week sales. I actually picked up some stuff like before Christmas time this year at Costco, so that's cool. And I love ribbon, like great big thick ribbon, like this stuff right here. This is really cute. It's just like candy cane, but I've got these two great big things of tissue, and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. My sister, I'm giving her a really cool gift, and I think she's gonna think that she knows what this gift is, but she doesn't know. So little sister, you don't know what this is. Ha ha ha. Okay, so I have some tissue left over from previous years. It's all red, and I would really like to use this up. So I'm just gonna take my gift, I'm gonna spread this out a little bit. All right, so there we go. I'm just gonna put this around there, wrap it. This is really nothing special, this part, obviously, because it's just kind of, you know, doing what it's doing. I know it's very technical what I'm saying, but okay, so I'm just going to put a couple of pieces of tape just to hold this down. And then I'll take this and put this over to the side. Then I have some Cellowrap that is absolutely clear. I'm going to cut a really nice long piece and show you what I'm going to do with that next. All right, so I have this beautiful large piece of Cellowrap, and I'm just going to take my gift and place it right in the middle, and then gather everything up around. I think I'm going to use this. Now, because this is such wide ribbon, I don't really want to do more than just a single bow when I'm putting this together. So I'll do that. All right, and how I'm going to make this look just that little bit better, I'm going to take the two ends of this and fold them so that they touch, and then cut kind of diagonally right up to there, and look at how that looks. It looks beautiful. I'm gonna do the same to the other side over here. And there we go. That looks absolutely gorgeous. Who would not want to receive this gift, right? I've got a couple over here to the side. I'm just going to pull them down right beside me so that I can show you them already done. So I have this gift right here from my mom and dad, and I just took a really, really long piece of ribbon and tied it into a bow, just a little regular bunny bow, a good 3 times. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little hoops or loops, to my bows, and this looks absolutely gorgeous. Here is another one. I know everything seems to be red and gold, but you know what, those are kind of the colors of the season right now for me. So these look absolutely gorgeous. I'm super proud of them, and I'm looking forward to being able to give them to my family when I go to see them on Christmas Eve and Christmas morning. So hopefully I've given you a different way of looking at how to wrap things, and I want to wish you a very Merry Christmas. All the best of 2019 to you and your family from myself and my family. If you like what you saw here, please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell right beside. That will notify you the next time that I upload a video. If you liked it as well, just hit that thumbs up, and that really helps me. Follow me on Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram, and Facebook. I will link all of that below. If you have any questions at all or any comments, please don't hesitate to send me a comment in the comment section. I love each and every one of you. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video.